హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను మీ అంజలి. ఈరోజు మీ ముందరికి ఒక సూపర్ డూపర్ వీడియో వచ్చాను. ఈ రోజు వీడియో వచ్చేసి స్పెషల్లీ కిడ్స్ కలెక్షన్ అనమాట. అండ్ కిడ్స్కి సంబంధించిన లెహెంగా, క్రాప్ టాప్, ఇలా మనకి అన్ని వెరైటీ కలెక్షన్. వీళ్ళు వచ్చేసి డైరెక్ట్గా మనకి కావ్యాంజలి కలెక్షన్స్ ఓన్లీ మనకి సూరత్ నుంచి. అండ్ వీళ్ళు వచ్చేసి మనకి ఇంగ్లీష్లో అయితే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు ఫ్రెండ్స్. అండ్ మీకు ఎవరైనా తెలుగు వాళ్ళు కావాలి అనుకున్నా మీరు కాల్ చేస్తే తెలుగు వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడతారు. అండ్ వీళ్ళ దగ్గర వచ్చేసి స్పెషల్లీ మనకి సిఓడి ఆప్షన్ అయితే ఉంది. అండ్ సూరత్ నుంచి కదా అని కొంతమంది డౌట్స్ పడతారు కదా, వాళ్ళందరి కోసం సిఓడి ఆప్షన్ అనేది ఉంది. మనం 30% అనేది మనకి పే చేస్తే ఐటమ్ ఇంటికి వచ్చినాక మనకి మిగతా పేమెంట్ అనేది పే చేయవచ్చు. వీళ్ళ దగ్గర బల్క్ వేజ్ షాప్ పర్పస్లో తీసుకునే వాళ్ళకైతే నెంబర్ 1 కలెక్షన్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. చూస్తున్నారుగా, ఏదైనా సరే బల్క్లో అయితే అందుబాటులో ఉంటుంది. అలాగే ఆల్ ఇండియా లెవెల్లో కొరియర్ ఫెసిలిటీ విత్ సిఓడి ఆప్షన్తో. ఇంకా మీకు లొకేషన్ కూడా మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. నేనైతే స్టోర్కి వెళ్ళలేదు. మరికి వచ్చేసి ఏంటంటే మనకి ఆన్లైన్లో మనకి వీడియోస్ చేస్తున్నాం. మీరు మిగతా డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని కనుక్కొని మీరు క్లారిటీగా వీడియో అనేది ఆర్డర్ అనేది పెట్టేసుకోండి. చూస్తున్నారుగా, కలెక్షన్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. అలాగే విత్ ప్రైజెస్ కూడా చాలా రీజనబుల్ గా ఉన్నాయి.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back with the new collection, new designer collection, wedding collection, and here Amiket with us to explain all the catalogs, all the colors and designs. So yeah, Amiket.
Hello guys, we are manufacturer of kids wear, women's wear, all women, Indians, ethnic wear. So today we'll be showing you kids collection from 6 months to all sizes, mother-daughter combo also available. You can see this product. This is proper printed on weaving fabric with embroidery stitch blouse. You will be getting stitch blouse with stitch lehenga. If you are liking our products, please take a screenshot and you can see the number on the screen. You can send the WhatsApp image to us, so we will share all the details. Our team will help you in all these details. Okay, so you see this collection. This is top selling collection with embroidery blouse, viscose lehenga with proper embroidery daman. You can see, you take the screenshot. We have colors also available. Once you share us the image, we will share all the colors. Okay, you see, we got this new lovely collection. You see, this is totally handwork, proper makam work with kota doria, good for summer. It's good for child, and you can see the inner as well. It's proper cotton inner.
And we are selling to the wholesaler, retailer or reseller also. So if you are shopkeeper, you have stock in your home, then also you can contact us. And these are all collection we are selling single pieces also and in bulk also. So if you are purchasing in bulk, then we will give you some discount also. So yeah, and after this we have this super hit collection, trending collection also. We have color, design and so much new varieties in this also. Yes,
so this is proper handwork gown with jerry weaving fabric, and we also have this trending attached dupatta concept. You can see it will come belt with dupatta. For kids it's easy to carry. You can see, they don't have to carry the dupatta. You have to just attach this belt here and it will be.
And this is full Kanjivaram fabric and handwork. As you can see, handwork also there. So yeah, and in this we also have lehenga. Like we are customizing lehenga, gown, adult gown or lehenga. So if you want mother-daughter, then it is also available. Customization also available, and all the charges will be given on WhatsApp. So you just have to contact on the given number on the screen.
So yes, as you can see, this is for proper showroom. This is showroom collection in wholesale rate. So once you share us the screenshot, if you are doing reseller business, we can provide single pieces, but you have to send a screenshot of your group so we can have a proof that you are a reseller. And this is mostly for showroom people and for office owner. This is proper for showroom owners and boutique owners. So if you are selling it to your customers, we also provide you in bulk. So bulk quantity 50 pieces, 100 pieces. We also have set to set. So this is our own manufacture. This is our own creation. You can see this handwork in Dola fabric. See, this is handwork in Bangalore and proper Dola with foil weaving. So we have all the types of collections. So it all starts from 500 rupees. Many different collections are there. Once you WhatsApp us, send us this screenshot.
These all are trending collection are about 1000, like 800 to 1000 rupees. Some of our collection we have which price is 500 only. But these are collection festival collections, so these are not selling for 500. these
These are
collection
costly
prices.
with
Yeah.
heavy stitching. You can see it's crochet work with printed with weaving border. So these are all heavy designs. So this you will be getting in proper rate. Wholesale rate only you will be getting. Once you come to Surat, you please call us on the given number so we can provide you all the details. You see this stitched blouse with embroidery neck work design, and with crochet and with proper weaving lehenga.
In this also gown available, lehenga available, and if you want like this is only top and bottom. If you want dupatta, then also available, but charges will be extra.
Yes, so customization and all the things is possible. If you want, say we want for our any dance function, or if you are saying that we want to keep it in our store, so if you have 50, 100, 500, how many pieces, whatever you need, all are in ready stock. So if you have customization, for that we have stitching unit to clear all your queries. You message us on the number, so our team can help you in all the details. You see this design, this is proper buta work printed design with proper inner. See,
And colors also available, 3, 4, 5 colors also available.
we all have colors in this. So once you share us a screenshot now, so we can show you all the colors. This is plain Kanjivaram gown. You see, it's also with attached dupatta. So it's self attached dupatta. It's proper Kanjivaram jari weaving. In this, colors are also available. I'll share another color. Wait, I'll show you. This is also another color.
In these 4 colors, 4 to 6 colors available. There are only 2 colors. Wow, as you can see, we are showing limited pieces only. We have more collection, many more designs and new launching.
As you can see, this is all our fabric. So we stitch, you can show our collection. So lots of collection are there. So today we'll be showing you very limited collection. So once you share us this screenshot now, so my team can help you in providing all the details, all the collection. You just have to WhatsApp us on the given number, so we can provide you all the details. This is gown with dupatta. You can see we have many colors in this gown. This is one color and this is another color. So in this gown you will be getting mother daughter as well for kids from 6 months, or if you have customization, all details once you WhatsApp us, then our team can help you in all the details. So for new collection, please WhatsApp us so we can provide you another collection as well. Our team will help you. The number is showing in the screen. Please message us so we can provide new details to you. Thank you for watching.